To install the mini Padlet extension to do screencasts, what you can do is when you go plus and then press on these three dots here, you can press on screen, record your screen, which is going to be a great way to show us what you're working on. And when you press on that, it prompts you to install this extension. So go ahead and press install. And we're going to go ahead and press add to Chrome. Yep. And then we're going to say add extension. And now it says it's been added to Chrome. So when I go back to our Padlet, it recognizes it's added, so it asks us to refresh. And now if I go plus three dots and record your screen, it's going to ask me to use my microphone, and then I am going to be able to press allow there. You can even choose your microphone if you've got a headset like that you use for gaming or whatnot, and then I'm going to go forward, and then I have some choices of what to record. So for this example, I'm going to do my entire screen. So now it's recording what I'm saying. So I could show my code here. I could show you something I've created. I can show a problem I'm having that I want some classmates to help me with. And when I'm done, I just press stop. Make sure you give it a title, like maybe request for help on Unit 1-3 or something, and save. And then this video will show up for my peers and my teachers to interact with.